Welcome back to the second part of our nail journey. If you haven't seen yet, I have recently shared a video that breaks down the crucial sheet practice. For all the ins and outs, you can find the link placed in the upper right corner. Now, in this part, our focus shifts to the intricate world of 3-bead acrylic extensions. We have already explored 3-bead acrylic circle in our previous video. Setting the stage for today's hands-on approach, our goal is to seamlessly apply these 3 beads on the sheet before translating the skill to actual nail application. Stay tuned for a detailed step-by-step guide that ensures you're mastering the technique. If you missed the previous video, no worries, the link is there for your catch-up. Now, let's move on to the 3-bead nail extension on the sheet. The numbers 1, 2 and 3 corresponds to the edge, apex and cuticle area of the nail. It's called a 3-bead acrylic extension because we cover the entire nail from cuticle to edge using 3 beads. This method is considered the easiest way to learn acrylic extension, making it perfect for practice. When picking up the bead, follow the same process mentioned earlier. Dip the brush in monomer, swipe off axis, turn the brush, dip the monomer side brush in acrylic powder. Now dab into the acrylic powder to make a bead and create a well-formed acrylic bead. Place this bead on the number 1 section, the edge of the nail. Dab, shape it into a desired nail shape. In this case, square. Then clean the brush. The key is to work with the acrylic before it dries. That's what we are practicing here. Keep it simple and let's perfect those acrylic extensions together. Moving on to the second session, for the second bead, we will follow similar steps. However, when dipping the brush into the monomer, after removing axis, swipe the brush 2 times. This time we are aiming for a medium-sized acrylic bead as we focused on apex area. After swiping, turn the brush, dip it into acrylic powder, dab once or twice and create a beautiful bead. Place this bead on the second section and start applying it on the sheet, dabbing to shape into a proper nail. Now, let's move on to the third bead, acrylic extension. This time, the acrylic bead should be slightly smaller as we focus on the cuticle area. Follow the same process but with a lighter touch. Keep it simple. It's important that your acrylic beads 1, 2 and 3 blend seamlessly. They shouldn't appear as distant bead. Instead, they should merge and look like a single well-applied bead. Let's master this technique together in a simple and effective way. That concludes our tutorial for today. Next, I will be sharing more on 2-bead acrylic extension, explaining the application using straightforward process and techniques. If you found value in this tutorial, show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing for additional videos. Stay informed about upcoming nail art tutorials. Thank you for watching and your continued support means a lot. Stay tuned for more.